Hey guys, this is Mrs. Roth with another math activity for the week. So let's do math. Our objective today will be Math 1.2G. Represent the comparison of two numbers to 100 using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. The materials you'll need for this activity will be index cards, scissors, markers or crayons, paper or notebook, and some optional materials will be a place value chart and base 10 blocks. Here are the directions for our activity. Okay, so as stated, we have our materials here. You need index cards, scissors, markers, or crayons. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take the index cards and we're gonna write numbers on them. So we can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for one set, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 index cards. You'll do the same thing with a second color. So after you make your set of numbers, you'll take the scissors and you'll just cut them in half. So essentially now you have a 0 card, number 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. Put them together, make a stack, turn it over, and do the same thing with your green marker. All right, so after you've made your stacks of numbers 0 through 9, and two different colors, I made blue and a green stack, you're gonna need one last card to do your symbols. So we have less than, greater than, or equal to. So you'll draw your symbols and simply cut the card. These will be the symbols we'll use to compare our numbers. Now let's get into the activity. Okay, so to start our activity, we're gonna get our cards, flip over both stacks, and you're gonna pull two numbers to make a double-digit number. So my first number I have is 74. So 74, and then I'll create the number 97. So these will be the numbers that you'll use your symbols to compare, 74 and 97. Which number is greater? So if you have your base 10 blocks, which is optional, if you do not have base 10 blocks, you can get paper to draw it out. I'm gonna use a piece of paper first. And we have 74. To draw out the number 74, you would draw 7 rods. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 ones, so 4 unit blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 97 has 9 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 7 unit blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you look at the pictures and you count them up and compare them, which number has more? That would be correct, 97. So we'll look for the symbol that shows the mouth open to 97. So when we put it here and we look at our sentence stem, we would say 74 is less than 97. And you can write that down in your notebook. We have 74 is less than 97. And then you can move the cards to the side and create 2 new numbers. So let's do another set. We have 85 and 31. So now we have 85 and 31. So let's see if we have those unit blocks. As said, we're going to use rods to show 8 rods for our 10s. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 80, and now I need 5 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 85. And then we have the number 31, which there's 3 10s. So we need 3 rods for that. 1, 2, 3. And there's 1 in the ones place, so we need 1 unit block. When we look at the numbers, we have 85 and 31. Which number is more? Correct. It should be 85 is the larger number. So then we will use this symbol where the alligator mouth is open to the largest number. So this sentence stem would read 85 is greater than 31. So make sure you get your paper and you write that down as well. 85 is greater than 31. And you can continue with the new set of numbers and see if you can complete it yourself. We have 48 and 61. And try these numbers on your own, 61 and 48. Which number is greater? The correct answer should be 61 is greater than 48. And you have more cards, and you can always add your cards back to your stack, reshuffle, and they'll create new numbers for you to continue working on the activity. All right, thank you. Okay, so here are the sentence stems that you're able to use with your child to have them describe the number sentence. Blank is greater than blank, such as 91 is greater than 67. Blank is less than blank, such as 5 is less than 10. And the last one is blank is equal to blank, such as 15 is equal to 15. And here's a short exit ticket you can have your child do to see if they understood the activity. Check their work when they're done. And last but not least, I've listed some additional resources you can use with your child. So here are some extra videos to help show comparing numbers. Click the link to explore the videos. Thanks. Have a great week.